hello. Can you hear me now? Oh, I think it was an issue with my audio. Something went wrong, but I hope you guys can hear me now. Okay. All right. So, guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Build Something Wednesdays with Nikhil Malankar. And today I have an idea on what I want to build, and it's actually to do with a viral video that's going on recently. I'll come to that, but before that, I will say hello to each and every one of you guys. So, Kiran Deshmukh, hi. Kumar Shravan, hi. Dipanshu Nagarwal, hi. Dynamite Gaming, hi. Udbhav, hello. Devashishkar, hello. Cutoff Gamer, hi. Game Dev with Aniket, hello. Navya Sipani, hello. Navya, I read your comment. That was very heartwarming to see. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Okay. So give some tips for first day of college. Well, be prepared, dress nice, put on lots of deodorant and perfume, and try to interact with a lot of people, make new friends, because these are the people who are going to be extremely useful for you in your future part of life. Who knows tomorrow who is going to be an entrepreneur, who will be a politician, who will be a high ranking officer. Nobody knows, and these people, these potentially powerful people, are accessible to you just everywhere around you, right? So uh, yeah, just be there, and have fun. Okay, so guys, I'm fantastic. I hope you guys are doing fantastic as well. And today's theme is Build Something Wednesdays with Nikhil Malankar. And today I'm going to try and build a game on live stream. And by the way, guys, I have also started a membership tier wherein I'm actually going to post vlogs. So if you're interested in watching vlogs, I know so many of you guys were requesting me to get started with vlogs again, and you guys wanted to see behind the scenes what's happening. So I just decided I will just put on some vlogs content as members only content. I will leave behind a link of that latest video over here. Just a second, give me one moment. Just one moment, guys. Just one moment. Vlogs are back. Yeah, that's the video that I stream पे game बना रहे हो क्या? Yes, guys, I am going to actually make a game today, and I will share which game I'm going to make. Okay, so let me actually put this up over here. Let me share my screen and adjust the window so I can see it properly. Okay, so I know what video I'm going to make, what game I'm going to make today, and I hope it's a lot of fun. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. So I came across this video on this channel, Runtime BRT. Caleb was also kind enough to interview me on his channel, so I talked about the story of Mumbai Gillies and all the struggles and whatnot. But this video came in my feed today. Okay, which is Grand Theft Auto Rickshaw. All right, it's a very interesting game wherein the auto rickshaw drives through the streets of Bangalore, okay, to avoid dogs and other vehicles and potholes and all. Now, this was just, as he's explaining over here, this was just a VO3 video. It was made by Harin Nitiswar on X. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and replicate this game, okay? We're going to create Grand Theft Auto Rickshaw and we're gonna do it live. Okay, so let me actually create a new project on Unity, and we're gonna create this on live stream. I will be using, of course, ChatGPT and a couple of art assets because I'm not an artist, so we'll be relying on assets that we'll be able to source from the internet. But yeah, everything else will be done pretty much live, and maybe 1 hour might not be enough to build this game, so we'll span it across a couple of streams. Okay, so let me just pull my face over here, and let me just try and start naming this game, etc. HDRP पे बना रहे हो क्या URP पे? I'm just using 3D built-in render pipeline. We're not building anything that looks fancy. We're just building something that plays fun. Okay. So, what should we name this project, guys? Let me involve you guys in the process. What should we name this game? Any ideas, guys? So it's going to be and okay, I've also identified a couple of assets, okay, online. If you can see that I'm going to use this rickshaws 3D model. I've already downloaded it, but do you guys have any ideas or suggestions for names? I'm going to read the chats and see. Please, let's avoid the usual terminology. Let's avoid GTA. Let's avoid Grand Theft Rickshaw and whatnot, because I think that won't be particularly original. Uh, because although the concept is this, I want to name it something else. So guys, please, any suggestions, any suggestion that you have to name this game? It's going to be a rickshaw runner kind of game. Okay, so please, guys, in the chat, let me know your suggestion. What should we name this game? Come on, guys, quickly. There are 28 of you guys watching. Come on, where are your suggestions? I really want to see all your suggestions. If you don't suggest me, ऑटो वाले भैया गेम का नाम ऑटो वाले भैया. If you don't suggest me, then I will be left with no choice and ask my trusted friend Chat GPT, okay, on what to make. Tuk Tuk Streets. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's ask Chat GPT what should we name this game, and then I will come up with a bunch of options from GPT. All right, GPT. So I am working on making a game with a rickshaw running recklessly on the streets of an Indian city. I'm not going to call it Mumbai or anything, but I'll just say that an Indian city. I am confused on what to name this game. Give me 10 suggestions for some unique and funny names. All right, let's see what it comes up with. Make something good today and live it ASAP for your audience to play and test it. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, so there are a bunch of options over here. As you can see, Rickshaw Rampage, Auto Anarchy, Three Wheel Mayhem, Horn Okay Please, Rickshaw Rumble, Chalti Ka Naam Rickshaw, Auto Wala Madness, Kali Kali Rickshaw Rally, Meted on Mayhem, Rickshaw Rodeo. So I think I can put up 5 of these options. I like the first 5 options. I'm going to put them up over here for poll. What name should we finalize for this game? Vedant, I'm building something on live stream. So we are building a small auto rickshaw uh, madness type of game. We're just naming it now. Rickshaw Rampage, Auto Anarchy. What else? Three wheel. I don't like three wheel mayhem. Maybe Horn Okay Please is fine. Rickshaw Rumble or Chalti Ka Naam Rickshaw. That's also pretty cool. Very localized though. Okay, I can only put 4 names. Or anyway, I've started the poll, guys. You can just go ahead and select whatever name you want. Dekh ke chala is also pretty good. Chalti ka naam rickshaw. Guys, I've started a poll. I'm gonna let it run for like 30 seconds, and whichever option gets the most votes, I'm going ahead with that. So I'm gonna do a countdown: 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I end the poll. Okay, so with 23 votes, approximately 23 votes, we have 47% people who voted for Chalti Ka Naam Rickshaw, 30% for Rickshaw Rampage, 13% for Horn Okay Please, and 8% for Auto Anarchy. So I think the audience has spoken. I don't have any choice but to select Chalti Ka Naam Rickshaw. Okay, so Chalti Ka Naam Rickshaw. All right, I have created this project now. Now we'll wait for Unity obviously to get started on the project. But while that happens, guys, I've already downloaded this model. As you can see, I went to Sketchfab. Before this, I was just doing some research on what I should build today, and I thought this would be a pretty cool concept. So I've downloaded this model from Sketchfab. We will obviously be giving proper attributions. We need to give attributions for assets that we use from online sources. So I'm going to do that. This is a low poly rickshaw, and I think I will kind of try and make something cool out of this. I just don't like using AI like cursor because it just takes away the part that I enjoy the most. Yeah, that's true. That's true. But Doom by me, we are just doing this for fun. So what the hell? Short gigs. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Oh, guys. By the way, in my last stream, Praneeth Dilip Patil gifted a membership to Short Gigs. This has never happened on my channel, and this was the very first time wherein someone has gifted a membership to someone else, which is pretty cool. But guys, for members, I'm actually going to put out some exclusive content. A lot of people actually requested me to join my membership to put out vlogs. So I'm gonna put vlogs exclusively for members. Hey Nikhil, what's up? Fast Motor Lunatics is not public. Norex Gaming, thank you so much for 100 rupees super chat. So what happened with Fast Motor Lunatics was that we were using the same map of Mumbai Gullies for it, and that map was not the most optimized. So if we were to focus on building Fast Motor Lunatics, we would have had to sidetrack Mumbai Gullies, and it was becoming too difficult to focus on these two projects at once, especially because both the teams are pretty much the same. So we decided that at the expense of progressing further with Mumbai Gullies, we should not focus on Fast Motor Lunatics. And additionally, Fast Motor Lunatics has the exact same map of Mumbai Gullies. So we decided that we'll just wait it out for a bit, and yeah, that's about it. That's about it. So yeah, but thank you so much for 100 rupees super chat. But Novarex Gaming, if you were to add 59 rupees more to your super chat right now, you would have had gotten access to my membership club, through which you would have got some exclusive content. So if you do have some extra budget, you can join in the membership club, because I'm gonna post vlogs almost very regularly, and guys, you'll get access to all the meetings that I do. Like I'm gonna record like bunch of stuff. So yeah, short gigs. You Since you are already a member, you will see this in my on my channel right now. Is making a game on Roblox Studio good to start in game dev? Yeah, absolutely. Roblox. A bunch of people use Roblox to make their games. Okay, so now, all right. So we started this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show in Explorer, and I will start a window for cursor. Now, see guys, like here's what you will see, right? If you are going to use cursor or any AI tools, you still fundamentally need to know how game development works, right? So, even when we are using cursor, we will still need to tweak around a few stuff. What I will do is, of course, because I'm going to, rely on assets, we are going to go on asset store, and we're going to search online for all the assets that we are going to use, and we will pick the assets from there. Okay, so let me actually at the back end log into my ID so that we are able to get all the assets. All right, I am here in my account. Okay, let me just refresh and see if I've logged in properly. Okay, I have. All right, so as I said, we already have the rickshaw in place. So let me just create a models folder first, models, and I will import my auto rickshaw model. There's another zip file inside this, so I will extract this first over here. And there's an obj file. So I think obj file should be good enough. And this is an untextured file, so I will just create a new textures folder and pick up the textures of our auto rickshaw, or rather they are calling it tuk tuk. And fortunately the model is already UV unwrapped, so we don't have to worry about that. But let me just start by taking this up and create this as a prefab. Does this have a material? Okay, so it does have a material, all right. But maybe I need to create another material, rickshaw texture. So what are we building tonight? We are building a replica of this small video that is going viral on the internet right now, which is this game. I discovered about this video through Runtime BRT, and he mentioned that there was a user on X, which is Twitter, formerly Twitter, that created this concept from VO3. created by Harin Nitiswar. All right, so we're trying to build something like that. Okay, so let's see how successful we'll be in this stream to create something of this sort. So I'm gonna pick up my albedo texture to be this, and I will just drag and drop this texture over here. So our auto rickshaw is ready, it's in place. I will actually later on change the texture as well, so you can see that over here this is the material that we've built. But I think what I should be able to do is also open up Photoshop, and let me just open Photoshop once and try to change this texture so that instead of BL, which is the nameplate over here, we are able to do MH. And I will add like a small neat detail to this, which is essentially going to be just a second. Let me just import this texture properly and start it in Photoshop first. Okay. All right. Okay. So here, if you can see in this rickshaw model, there is a number plate of BL1N04M8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this texture, and I will call it with my name. Okay, I will call it with my name. Screen share stop. Yeah, I had purposely stopped the screen share because I was looking at certain sensitive data on the screen. That's why. But anyway, guys, let us use uh, where is my polygon? I mean, the options on Photoshop have actually changed quite a bit. Polygonal lasso tool. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this BL1N, and I will give it my own nameplate. Okay, so let's do this. All right, let's pick this color and done. Okay, and I will merge this layer over here. Vedant, and guys, if like I would love to talk with you guys, but uh, reserving this session to actually cover content when I'm building this stuff. So for those of you who have questions around games and game development, you can join me in the chit chat streams, live streams. I do live streams almost regularly nowadays, so you can come by and talk with me during that time. But when I'm building something, it might be a bit difficult for me to pay attention to the chats as well. So please, I'm sorry in advance if you feel hurt that I'm not able to read your chats. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will actually one second. Let me merge these layers. Okay, so I'm going to give it the name MH font is white, MH, and I will say NM, which is Nikhil Malankar, and I will say 3103. Now 3103 actually happens to be my birthday, which is 31st of March. So if you guys want to keep some important dates in your mind, that should be one of the dates that you should have in your mind. Okay, so I've taken this and I will duplicate this and I will add this over here. One second, sorry. I moved the background itself. Okay, and then we'll have to tilt this a little, right? Something like this. Okay, and let me enlarge this a little bit so that it matches the scale of this particular object. And yeah, I think this should be fine. Okay, so now we do have a custom rickshaw model with MHNM3103, which is 31st of March, which is a small, tiny little detail that I'm just adding into this game. All right, now since that is out of the way, let us start building this game. Okay, so what I'm going to do is first and foremost, I will start off with creating a small character controller or car controller for this game. Okay, Vedant Sunavni says, hey buddy, can you please tell some points for coming up indie games and also on projects done by them for job or anything else? Vedant, I mean, I can tell you, I would love to tell you about this on some other stream, but like let's just focus on building this game. All right, but please come back tomorrow. Okay, and tomorrow I promise you I will answer your question. I promise you. I'm sorry, I'm just like building something today, so I just want to have my entire mental bandwidth allocated to this. Now what I will do is I will also create a prefabs folder, and first and foremost, we will get started by creating a small plane, okay? And it does have a mesh collider, so let me put this up like 555, and let me take this auto rickshaw a little bit on top. This is the mesh, so I will, oh, this is just an empty folder, so let me just unparent it. Okay, what is this? I see. Okay, 1 second, let me, sometimes this can become a little bit, okay, all right. Okay, I don't need this. I don't need this because it just has that extra empty game object which might mess up with certain calculations at times. So I'm just using the base object over here. And now we are going to start with our actual stuff. So let me add first and foremost, of course, rigid body so that our rickshaw can fall down. Otherwise, it will just float in space. Let's test one thing once at a time. Am I meta? Am I making a game? Yes, absolutely, I am making a game. And there are 51 of you guys watching. So guys, for those of you who are finding me for the very first time, my name is Nikhil Malankar. I'm a game developer by profession. I make content around games and games. And our rickshaw fell down. What the heck? Oh, of course, of course. I added rigid body and I didn't add any collider. Okay. I will just give this name of rickshaw. Let me add a collider. That was my bad. Okay. I think we should be fine with a box collider, because I don't think we need any fancy type of collisions. I don't need a mesh collider. I don't need that kind of complication. Okay, so our rickshaw is ready. It is landing on our plane that we've built. Okay, and after we are done with the rickshaw, we also need to make our camera follow it. So as per this game, the rickshaw is running endlessly. I want to ask you guys, I want to build this with the community, right? Should we make this rickshaw run automatically or should we have some sort of control to move forward as well? Because I think it's an endless runner. So I think it would make more sense for the rickshaw to run continuously because there's no use of actually the acceleration and deceleration button. So let's take a poll on that as well. Let's build this with the community. Should our rickshaw run automatically or with controls? Automatic controls or with controls? Let me take a poll. I've started the poll, guys. Just go ahead and select an option. Add some controller. So whatever will be the most selected option, I will go ahead with that. And again, we're going to do a 30-second timer. So 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and end poll. Oh, wow. Wow, this was unexpected. So majority of the people have actually asked to control the rickshaw as well. Now there are a bunch of problems with this. Okay, I'll just blurt it out. So if we add controls to the acceleration and deceleration, what will happen is it will actually be like a free open world game. So maybe we don't particularly want to go in that direction because I think I was looking at it from just a left-right controls perspective. Okay. So if you guys mean left-right controls, of course we can do that, right? I think let's do that. Let's start building a small character controller. Okay. All right. So analyze this project folder structure first. So I'm just going to tell cursor to analyze the project folder structure so that it's aware of all the different types of folders that we've created, and we are going to start building on this. Lots of love, patiently waiting for MG. Thank you so much, Shobh. Thank you so much. It stays automatic and speed increases with time. Wow. Why not go in all cardinal DRXN, not in any other direction? Babita, I don't know what you're saying. अबे अगर बनाना ही नहीं है तो पूछा क्यों? That's a very good question, right? अगर मेरे को तुम लोग का सुनना ही नहीं है तो पूछा क्यों? Sorry about that, RC Gamer. But I'm just trying to understand. With boosters, I like the idea of boosters. I think I like the idea of power ups. Okay, all right. So let's, what I've observed is you can't particularly load cursor with a lot of information, a lot of instructions, because it actually messes things up. So let's go step by step. Let's start with first just building a small, control functionality. All right. So now I have my rickshaw as a vehicle on screen. I want Norex Gaming. Thank you so much for buying the membership of my channel. Norex, welcome to the Nikhil Malankar exclusive club. And tonight, when my vlog gets edited and posted, you will get access to that tonight. And you also have access to some existing content that I have posted earlier, so you can check that out as well. But Norex, welcome to the Nikhil Malankar exclusive club. Okay, I want to create a basic arcade style vehicle controller, nothing complicated. I want to control only left and right direction, building an endless runner game. So give me a movement with smooth transition change to left or right lane, and let's have a 3-lane structure, or maybe a 5-lane structure. I don't know, 5-lane structure sounds okay. To switch, the rickshaw starts in the middle lane and can switch left or right in 5 lanes. Don't move further left if it's on either the first or fifth lane, left or right. Give me this script that I can drag and drop on my rickshaw object. Okay, so I've given instructions. Stuck the Londa says, eagerly waiting for Mumbai Leads, will pre-order it. Lots of love. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much. Make it like Subway Surfer, but add left and right controller. Okay, we can do that. Vedant Sonavle, actually I'm so excited for this industry, therefore I didn't realize you're busy on something, but can you tell me, is your tomorrow stream on some channel and time? So it's on the same channel. Yes, Vedant, it's going to be on the same channel and it's going to be on the same time as well. Okay, so it has created some input actions for it. And I appreciate it, Vedant. I mean, I don't get irritated or anything. It's just that I won't be able to read your chat much, so I just thought I'll be upfront with you. Shlokansh, hello Shlokansh, how are you? Nice to see you again, buddy. So 52 people are watching and there are 40 likes on this stream right now. So if you're new, just hit the like button, and if you've just arrived, we are building an interesting game that is based on this small video that I saw online on this channel, Runtime BRT, about him posting of someone on X, Harin Nitiswar. He had posted this small video of a rickshaw running on the streets of Bangalore, avoiding all the traffic and jams and all the different kinds of animals on the streets. Okay, and this was basically just a video prompt, but I thought, let me go ahead. I'm a game developer, so maybe I can create a game out of this. Okay, so I think the script is written. Let's test what Cursor has built for us. Okay, could not parse input actions. What is this? This happens sometimes. Like, it's just weird. Arcade vehicle controller. So it has also created a README file which I didn't particularly need, but it's okay. It's okay to have this sometimes. Okay, Let me put this up on my rickshaw and let's see what are the options that we have. Left input, input action reference. Now this is input system. Okay, so input action, print to console. I think let me just give this message to cursor and let it figure out. Getting this error, fix. Try to mix Granny in the game. Granny, how will I mix Granny in an endless runner? Let's put our mind to it and let's see what happens. 26% of context used. Oh my god. Add coin and diamond which player can claim during running the rickshaw. Sure. And by the way, guys, we are building a Mumbai rickshaw. So Mumbai rickshaws are like this, black and yellow. I think rickshaws are different in different types or different parts of India, right? I think in Kolkata they are green and yellow. I think it's the same in Delhi as well. Atharva Sharma says, Bhaiya, I'm a CSE plus AI student. I am ambitious AI plus Minecraft project. How can I tell you? It's a long text document. Atharva Sharma, you can mail it to me on my email ID, which is nikhil.malankar@gmail.com. Replaced all the okay. I fixed the GUID error. Okay, I think this should work now. Hopefully. What is this? Okay, edit in project settings. It has. Uh, I hate the new input system. I hate the new input system. Input action reference. Let's see what's happening. Okay, I'm pretty sure I won't be able to play this game right now. Okay, it's not working. Let's read the script. What happens? Actually, I just want a simple arcade script. I don't want to rely on input actions and whatnot. It's just I mean I haven't practiced enough on the input system. Nikhil, realized we are judging you wrong regarding Mumbai Police. Go ahead and take your time. Surprises love you, not because you we are. Thank you so much, Dr. Dragon. Thank you so much. Okay. I don't think it's an endless runner at this moment. Okay, alright. The rickshaw is not moving forward. Also, the input system uh, way is a bit complicated. Please give me a simple script with just taking input from horizontal and horizontal input with keyboard. Rewrite the script. Okay, all right. I'm just going to tell it to rewrite this entire script because a bunch of stuff are not happening currently in S3. Okay, so a couple of things that I have observed. Of course, it has 5 lanes, then 3 width, and then lane switch speed is 10, and current lane is 3. Okay, so let's see what it changes now. I hope it makes the script much more simpler. Also include potholes on the road. I have a fantastic idea about potholes. So once you get into potholes, okay, what should be the game over condition? Is it like colliding with other cars, or is it when we run into potholes? Because I don't think potholes can stop the spirit of a rickshaw driver, right? Okay, let's see what this has come up with. Oh, finally, it got rid of all the input things and move forward. It is moving forward. All right. I think this should be fine. But will it actually move forward? That is the question. Health system sounds interesting. Forward speed, okay. Let's test this. Okay, okay, all right. It's working. It's working, guys. It is working. Our rickshaw is working. This is so cool. This is so cool. Okay, now I need to add a camera follow, right? We need to do a bunch of stuff. We need to, I mean, should I just child my camera to the rickshaw? Uh, let's see. No, I mean, particularly the best way to do this, but maybe if I just build this over here and then I child it, maybe then it's fine. And let me actually read through the script and see if we have our move left and right exposed, because we will need these if we are going to. Oh, Cinemachine. Cinemachine. I can use Cinemachine. Sure. Cinemachine I can use. But I'll come to that part a little later. Okay. I'm gonna come to that part later because I don't think that will be much of a challenge. For now, I'm just keeping it like this. I'm just creating the core functionality that is required. So we're gonna need a bunch of stuff. Let me take ideas from GPT. So we have like some games name suggestions, and we have the rickshaw running. Now we need to create the endless loop, right? So endless loop, and then we also need like a bunch of objects on the screen. So what I will do is maybe I will go to Sketchfab and search for some more models. Uh, Vehicles. Let's see what sort of vehicles we are able to find. And of course, free free assets. Okay, city sample vehicles. There is city sample vehicles that we have. And the vehicle variety pack. I think we need like simpler vehicles, right? We don't need like fancy race cars. Uh, we're gonna need some like desi vehicles. So American taxis and sedans. No, 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 no. Low poly car packs. Okay, maybe we can download these. Okay, let me just get these downloaded on a separate window. uh, Accept low poly car packs, and I have downloaded low poly car packs, and I'm going to extract it to my folder and source. Again, extract AutoLP obj. Let's come back to our Unity and add in these. Okay, models, and take this over here. Otaku Fest, hello. Otaku Fest, I have to reply back to your email. I'm sorry I haven't done it yet. Wow, this has so many materials. So many materials, so many textures. Wow. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Actually, you know what? Okay. I will create another folder in here for traffic cars, and I will sort this out into my rickshaw folder, and I will go inside traffic cars and I'll just import all of these. We'll try to pick like few videos. Ready the prototype first and add the asset later. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shlokansh, on stream, please check your email. Nikhil.Malankar. Yeah, I have bunch of stuff on my email, so I don't think I will be able to share my screen while uh, while opening the email. But I think I can. I received your email. So guys, this is something that Shlokansh uh, has emailed me just now. Devlog 8 error. Oh, I remember you mentioning about this in the last stream. That is pretty cool. I will keep this followed. What? There's no download link also. But anyway, I'll check it out. I'll check it out whenever it's ready. Try to add Tatya Vinchu selling vegetables in the game. What? Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is let me. Okay, we need lanes as well, right? Because we need like roads. So let me see if we have roads. Modular roads. We will need modular roads, right? And hmm, we can have this free road. I don't think we need any turns or anything. So maybe I can. We don't need this, right? So we can take this road, okay, which is road free. Downloading it. Okay, it's a 41 MB file. I've kept it for download. So we have low poly cars pack. We have this one small road that we have downloaded, and I think that should be pretty much it for getting started. Doomboy me, I'm sorry, man. I'm just trying to focus on creating the game. That's the reason why I'm not reading the chats today. Okay, so we have our road free downloaded as well. Right click, extract all. And again, the same thing. Why does Sketchfab have this weird structure wherein they are keeping the model separate and the texture separate? Okay, what is this? Whoa, there's formula and all. Huh, let me just rename it to road.fpx. I'm glad that this one has a fpx file because I think the obj thingy is just separates the entire thing. Oh wow, this road. Where is this road? Where did it go? Okay, let's delete this. All right. Okay, so there is this road. Let me rotate it by 90 degrees. Atharva Sharma, I have sent you email. What email have you sent, Atharva Sharma? Let me check. Let me check. AI Civilization Project Idea. Thanks, Atharva. I will check it later after the stream. Okay. All right. Wait. 1 second. I lost track of the chats, not cheats, chats. Can you use Indian pothole roads? We will try to add potholes to this. Okay, we will try to spawn objects. But first, let me adjust this so that the proportions are matching. So I will firstly reduce the scale of this. Okay, so this will be equivalent to our one lane, right? And then this is here. I will keep it at 0, but let's check what's happening. Okay, 1 second. I think we've got the road out of. Okay, all right. Let me keep it at. Actually, let me keep it at 0, and let me move the rickshaw a little down. Maybe at 1 or maybe at 0. Okay, I think it's perfectly aligned on the ground. So now what we need to do is, firstly, I need to disable. Let me just keep it as 0 for now. I'm just going to duplicate this. Oh, the texture map is written in Urdu. Wow, what is this? Oh, I'll just rename this root.fpx. Can I rename this? Oh, I can't rename this as an object. Okay, never mind. I'll just temporarily use it over here, and then once I'm ready, this Daniel Radcliffe. I'm using Unity game engine right now. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I can replace the road later on, so that won't be much of an issue. But I just want to test out one thing. Let me add in a box collider to this. Okay, it's pretty much set. And let's see, once I'm hitting the play button, I just want to see the, oh wow, how it is performing in terms of platform behavior. Okay, so 3 and 6, and then copy this, -6, and then this one at -2. Wait, very strange. So C 0, 3, 6. This should have been -3. Sorry. My bad. Calculation mistake. Okay. Okay, wow. This is perfectly aligning. Okay. So we know that this will work. Alright. Uh, and I think it is taking the proper proportions of that object as well. Do you think focusing entirely on game art design along with game dev in pre-final is risky? Oh, it is absolutely risky, man. It is absolutely risky. Yash Khatri says, I've worked on your feedback you gave for my game. Now I think the game will not disappoint you. Once again, thanks for your feedback. All the best to you, Yash. Keep working hard. Keep working hard. Okay, and our functionality is perfectly working. Okay, so the base prototype is kind of done, but now we need to create these roads continuously, right? And once these roads are done, then we need to also write a logic wherein we uh, we have, we have to spawn traffic, we have to spawn etc, etc, like various different stuff. Mumbai Gullies light before Mumbai Gullies. Ayush, yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you not using UE5? Because I'm just building like a small, fun little game, that I'm just doing as a pastime activity. And if it turns out to be fun, who knows? I might publish it. But for now, I'm just having fun here. So I will say road spawner, and I will okay, and I will say okay. So now, all right. So let me say I'll just call it lane 1, 2, 3, lane 1, lane 2, lane 3, lane 4, and lane 5. Okay, so lane 1 I will move upper. Oh, Summons Kumar Alibod, thank you so much for 200 rupees super chat. And you're saying, hi Nikhil, I hope you're doing well. I intend you to send a detailed mail, but since you're live here, I wanted to reach out directly. I've been closely following your journey with Mumbai Gullies. Thank you so much, Samens Kumar Albert. And please let me know what do you want to talk about. And in fact, if you want to actually reach out to me, I'm just going to give you my email ID. You can write it down or type me anything you want to over here. Please do reach out to me. Please do feel free to reach out. And thank you so much once again for the 200 rupees super chat. But yeah, what do you want to talk about? You sent in the message, but maybe if you could just elaborate, what do you want to talk about? Would be happy to chat and answer whatever you want to know. Okay, so now glass link. Oh, glasses. These are actually like very simple glasses, very basic glasses. A simple wayfarer kind of thing. I've sent you a message on WhatsApp. Am I what? I am live streaming right now. Please let me live stream. Are you attending Tokyo Game Show? I have it. I'm not. Not this year. Not this year. Okay. So now lane one, lane two. Let me just sort this out as per lanes. Okay. All right. So now let's ask cursor to build an endless runner. Okay. So now I have built 5 lane platforms for the rickshaw to run in, and now I want to create a spawner that will spawn roads endlessly as my rickshaw moves forward. Help me write this implementation. Uh, Currently lanes are initiating on the following coordinates. I'm just going to give it lane 1. Lane 1 is where? -600, -600. Lane 2 is at -300. Lane 3 is at 0, 0, 0. Lane 4 at 3, 0, 0. And lane 5 at 6, 0, 0. Identify this map, and my next lane should be where? Let me just see if this moves forward. I think this can be at 6. Is it? To be seamless, no, 6 doesn't work. 5.72, so maybe 5.7. The next location next lane can be 5.7 units ahead of the previous lane in the corresponding x direction. Give me an exposed variable so I can configure this length if I choose to use a different lane model, but give me this implementation for now. So we're building a small prototype of this. Let's see what it comes up with, right? Hey, I've looked into the course. It's BCA in game development. Is it good? I mean, do you have any idea about it? So Vedant, if you're actually looking for a course to learn game development, I am myself taking a course right now, uh, which is called the Game Development Accelerator Program. You can join this course over here. I'll just share this link with you. This is the link of this course. You can check this out, and through this what you will get is you will get access to also a paid internship for 1 month. So the total cost of this program is 42,000 rupees. It's a 3 month program, and if you want you can also pay in easy monthly installments of 3 easy monthly installments of 15,000 per month. At the end of this course you will also get a paid internship opportunities which will pay you 10,000 rupees for 1 month. So if you're interested, you can enroll, and the same message goes for everyone else as well. You can actually enroll yourself into this program, and if you want, you can also, like, there are a bunch of other courses on their platform as well. They are coming up with this 1 month long Unity crash course as well. So if you want to quickly learn Unity, you can check this out as well. So agent completed. Open cursor to review the agent's output. Okay, let's go back. Okay, lane spacing. I always get nervous when I open cursor. Okay, let's see what it's going to come up with. Also, I think I left out one detail that I should have given it, because right now our lanes have a rotation as well. What is this? Oh yeah, -90. Never mind. Okay, let's just test it out, and we'll we'll fix out the issues that come. Road segment prefab. Okay. Uh, all right. Also, just to be safe, I missed one detail, that the roads that get spawned need to have a rotation of -90, 0, 90. Please modify the spawning code accordingly. Okay. A Google user, क्या हालचाल? यार, a Google user, we are building a game right now based on a small meme that I saw on the internet. Some user on X had generated a small game idea using VO3. So that was basically just a video, but I actually am trying to convert that into a full-fledged game. So let's see how that goes. Awarth bhai, can develop games using Unity on Linux? I think yes, you can. Rickshaw transform. Why does it need the rickshaw transform? But anyway, let's give it the rickshaw transform. Lane 1. Okay, let me just take a prefab of my object over here, and I'll just call this as lane. Road spawner to be this, and let's see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Oh wow, it has created a road for us. Okay, let me give a forward speed now. And wow guys, this works. Our logic works. Our logic works. Fantastic, fantastic. Now, let me see how many segments should I spawn ahead. Let's spawn maybe 10 segments so that we are able to see it. Are you making an endless runner? Yes, I am making an endless runner. Indeed. Indeed, I am. Whoa, summons. My goodness, wow. Thank you so much for yet another 200 rupees super chat. I'm a brand manager and creative director certified from IIT Delhi. My brother and I had predicted the challenges you later shared in the Mumbai Gullies, and I got a creative solution worth discussing. Thank you so much, Samins. I mean, I would definitely love to get in touch with you and discuss this further ahead. I've given you my email ID, so you can, reach out to me. And once you send me an email, I will also give you my phone number, so you can just drop me a text on WhatsApp, and we can get connected. But I genuinely, really, really appreciate the super chats that you've sent today. Thank you so much. And Samit, if you want to, you can also support me on a monthly basis for by taking up a membership of my channel. It'll be significantly much lesser expensive. It's just 159 rupees per month, and I'm now putting out active content around my life, wherein I cover all these challenges on a daily basis. So you can check that out as well, and you can stay connected with me and my content. Okay, so I think I'm pretty happy with this. Forward speed, let's pick 10. Okay, and let's see what happens now. Huh. Okay, pretty neat, right? Pretty neat for today. What do you guys think? Okay, so we have a logic ready for our endless runner game. Okay, we have a rickshaw that's running and we have endless set of roads that are spawning. Now let's look at buildings. Let's look at buildings. I'm working on a first-person battle royale game using Unreal Engine 5 as a solo dev. What do you think about the idea? Give me some advice. Aman, just build it. That's the best advice that I can give you. I think just stay consistent with your efforts and don't doubt yourself, even when the entire world does. Just stick behind yourself and believe in yourself, and you will get there, Aman. You will get there. I wish you all the very best. How can I become a member of your channel? 179 rupees. Thank you so much, Amay. I mean, you don't have to send the super chat. What you can do is I don't know how to show you guys. Let me check if I can show you by logging into some other account. So if you want to actually become a member of my channel, what you can do, guys, is just go to my channel, and here there's a join button. Okay, here there's a join button, and don't believe these earnings. These are nearly not anywhere close to what I earn from my YouTube channel. In fact, this is so sad that I don't really earn much from my YouTube advertising content. So don't believe these numbers. Okay, but if you want to join my channel, just click over here and click on this button. Joining is only at 159 rupees per month. For this amount, you will get access to exclusive content that I will be posting for members only. So you can join the Nikhil Malankar exclusive club. Yeah. Okay, let me come back. Actually, I think while I was doing that, I probably switched my YouTube account itself. So I don't know if I'm. Samins Kumar Elbot, thank you so much for joining my membership tier. I will be putting out content for members tonight. So starting from tonight, I'm going to put out some vlogs. In fact, I have recorded my entire day today. I'm going to stitch it together. This is going to be the last actual footage in my live stream. So let me actually record this stream over here as well. Okay. So I'm actually live right now, and midway through the stream, I just thought I will give a shout out to the people who have joined in over here. And there are a few new members over here, so welcome to the club. Obviously, since you are watching this video, you will also get access to this footage as well. But for those of you who are not a member yet, you can join the membership club, and I would love to see you over there. So yeah, I just took this small segment from being live and recording that as well. Okay, all right. Shifted back to yeah. So guys, we tried to experiment with Unreal and Unity, and we found out that the quality with Unity was not the best, and we already had the Unity Unreal project folder with us, so we just reverted back to that. How do you manage eye strain problem? I don't know. I've just been lucky enough that I don't get eye strains. I get good enough sleep, so I think that is genuinely something that helps out. Okay. Make prefab variant with obstacles with 30 to 50% chance of this prefab variant. That's a good idea. That's a good idea, Rahul. Okay. What do we do next? I mean, it's almost 1 hour, so I was thinking that I will continue the development of this game maybe tomorrow. Because now that we have started this, I don't think we should stop at this. Maybe let's just get this game done to the end. What do you guys say? I don't think I will be able to continue the entire game tonight, but maybe we can, you know, add some cool stuff as we move ahead. So I think I will continue development of this project. What do you guys say, guys? Rather than adding force to the rickshaw, you can try changing the x axis for the input. Absolutely. Bro, any good YT or course to learn Unity 3D? Ani bhai, you can actually enroll in my own course. I am taking up a course. I'm teaching how to make games through my game development accelerator program on this website called Spawn School. So you can check this out. They also have a crash course, 1 month crash course on Unity. So you can join that as well. So my course is slightly expensive because I'm going to teach you the entire process of game development, and it's going to be for 3 months long. Batch has already started, but you can still join midway because all the sessions are recorded and available on their platform. Course fees are 42,000 one-time cost, or you can split it into 3 easy monthly installments of 15,000 rupees per month. At the end of this specific internship, at the end of this specific course, which is the accelerator program, you will get a 1 month paid internship. There is no paid internship in this crash course over here, but you can just learn if you want. But in both the courses, you will actually get access to a certificate. And are there Unreal Engine courses? So I am not taking the Unreal Engine course, but the Spawn School does have an Unreal Engine course on their platform. This will be taken by an Unreal authorized instructor. So I don't have any Unreal Engine courses as of now, but they do have, like Spawn School does have a bunch of courses on Unreal. Not bunch of, actually just one, as I can see in front of me. But anyway, guys, so what we did today was we just built out this small prototype working version of the Chalti Ka Naam Rickshaw game. That's what we have called it. And you can see that we have created this endless runner implementation. Okay, let me just, wow. So you can see that our rickshaw is moving over here, and see, we can actually see a bunch of visualization stuff that has happened over here. So it is actually checking for the lanes as it moves forward, right? Which is pretty cool. I mean, just look at this, look at this. It looks so fun. Okay, let me look at this from a different angle. Never mind, never mind, never mind. Anyway, so I think if I switch the lane, this visualization will also change. Oh, so it is actually checking in which lane it is. Okay, cool. Never mind, never mind, never mind. Go and watch Demon Slayer Infinity Castle Part 1 movie. It's super awesome. Broke the record of Titanic movies in Japan. All right. I will check it out. But I don't think I will get enough time, Amay, to watch a movie. Yeah. It's just, you know how my schedule is. It's super duper busy. I sometimes I don't even get chance to talk to people properly, which is quite sad, but it is what it is. RC Gamer, welcome back, and we've actually created a small implementation of endless runner functionality in our Rickshaw Runner game. And I think I will continue the development of this game in the next stream. But in the next stream, we will add a bunch of stuff. We will add a traffic system to this. We will add maybe like some weird power ups and all. So this is going to be a lot of fun, guys. I hope you guys stay tuned with this entire series. We will make this game, and we will try to put it up on maybe Play Store, or if it becomes very good, then maybe on Steam. Who knows? Okay, sir, I said you react on something, but you didn't. Hey, Smartiverse, yeah, please tell me what I had to react to. Can you just remind me, please? I forgot about it, but I didn't forget. I told you that I will react to it in the next stream. So if you could just quickly type it out, please, if you could. So guys, that was about it for today's stream. मराठी येते का? मला मराठी खूप चांगल्यापणे येते. मी मराठीच आहे. Little Nightmares 2 on PS4 and Xbox One. Okay, 1 second. Little Nightmares 2 on PS4 and Xbox One. 1 second. Little Nightmares 2. Yeah, you guys always give me these uh, horror game suggestion. Horror theme. Okay. Okay, let me just 1 second. I'll just disable the audio over here on OBS for you guys, so that in case if there are any copyright issues, it doesn't demonetize the stream. Okay, so I'm gonna watch it. Bandai Namco, Tarsier Studios. Start teaching us Marathi. Okay, I will do that. Never has a nightmare been so appealing. Oh, it looks so beautiful. It gives me inside vibes. I don't know how many of you guys have played this game called Inside. Whoa, what the heck? It looks like a fun game. It looks like a cute, fun little game, but it's also horror. So I don't know if I should, if I don't know if I can play this. You should share your thoughts about 2.5D games like this. Oh, I love all kinds of games here. I love 2D games. I love 2.5D games. I love 3D games. I love video games. What's happening? Whoa! Holy crap! I couldn't stop playing Gaming Bible. This is super cool. And this is only for PS4 and Xbox. It's not for PC. Resident Evil 9. Next stream, on my next stream. I have to now end this stream and also, edit the vlog for members. Little Nightmares 2. So there's a Little Nightmares 1 also, I'm assuming, of course. So it is for PC, Nintendo Switch, PS4, Xbox One. I think I can give it a try. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, guys. So with that, I will review what I did today, and then I will end this stream for today. So we started off by watching this video wherein I went through Runtime BRT's channel, and he had reacted to this video that was generated by VO3 by a user called Harin on X, and I thought it would be cool if I could just recreate this game in Unity with some available assets online. So I'm trying to do that, and since it's a game project, it's not as easy as just prompting and making it happen. So we're going to continue working on this game across multiple streams. I will add like different environment elements as well, and this is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so far what we did was we added a rickshaw onto our scene, and we added an endless spawning logic for the roads, and this is what we've done so far. And in the next stream we will continue development of this game, wherein we will add some oncoming traffic elements, etc., etc. Okay. All right, so guys, that's about it. I'm going to end the stream now. And for the members, and if you want to support me further, you can join my membership club on my YouTube channel. I'm going to post exclusive vlogs content only for my members of this channel. So be sure to become a member if you want to see all of that content. And with that in mind, guys, thank you so much for joining in. I'm just going to stop sharing my screen now. And yeah, that is it. So guys, this was so much fun today. I had a very hectic day today, and it always fills me with joy to always come back to a live stream and seeing all you guys over here talking with me, chatting with me, and yeah, love this. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my outro dialogue. All right. So that's it for the stream, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's stream. If you did, hit the like button, and if you're finding my channel for the first time, do subscribe, because I'm putting out constant content around games and game development. With that in mind, before you go to sleep, do not forget to brush your teeth. It's important to take care of your teeth as well as your health. And with that small message, I wish you good night, sweet dreams, take care, and I love you all. Mwah. I will see you guys again tomorrow at 11 p.m. Okay, take care, bye bye.